Good morning, friends. Myself, Sunny N. Khalas, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, VPMP Polytechnic. Subject name is Fundamental of Digital Electronics. Subject code is 3310702. Unit name is Binary Logic and Boolean Algebra. The topic of today's lecture is logic gates. The main objectives of these lectures are identify the basic gates and describe the behavior of each. Combine basic gates into circuits. Describe the behavior of a gate or circuit using Boolean expression, truth tables, and logic diagrams. What is gate? A device that performs a basic operation on electrical signals. And what is circuits? Gates combine to perform more complicated tasks. How do we describe the behavior of gates and circuits? First one, Boolean expression. Uses Boolean algebra, a mathematical notation for expressing two-value logic. Logic diagram. Graphical representations of a circuit. Each gate has its own symbol. What is truth table? A table showing all possible input values and the associated output values. See, there are 6 types of gate. First one is NOT gate. Second one is AND gate. Third one is OR gate. Fourth one is XOR gate. Fifth one is NAND gate. It's called NAND, N-A-N-D, NAND gate. And last one is NOR gate. So there are 6 types of gate. Let us see the first type of gate, which is NOT gate. A NOT gate has one input and one output. Output is complement of the input. It is complement or it's called invert, right? So the output is invert of the input. When input is at logic 0, output is 1, and when input is at logic 1, output is 0, right? A NOT gate accepts one input signal 0 or 1 and returns the output opposite signal as output. See the truth table. When input A is 0, output X is 1. And when input A is 1, output X is 0. This is called NOT gate, right? Boolean expression is X is equal to add S, right? It means, in short, the output of NOT gate is the complement of input. Okay, so this is the all about the NOT gate. In middle, we see the logic diagram symbol of NOT gate. Okay, so this is all about NOT gate. Now we go to next gate, which is AND gate. And AND gate accept two input signals. If both are 1, the output is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. See the truth table. When input A and input B both are 0, the output X is 0. When input A is 0 and input B is 1, output is 0. When input A is 1, output B is 0. When input A is 1, input B is 0, output X is 0. When both input are 1, output is 1, right? In short, the AND gate performs the multiplication operation. See the Boolean expression, X is equal to A dot B. It means in AND gate multiplied both input. Okay, so this is AND gate. The logic symbol, the logic diagram symbol, or the symbol of AND gate is C in the middle area. Okay, the gate in which the output goes to level 1 only when all the inputs are at logic 1 is called AND gate. If any input goes to 0 level, the output becomes 0. Okay, AND gate has two inputs or more than two inputs, right? It means we see the Boolean expression x is equal to a dot b. It means the AND gate performs the operation of multiplication. Now see, we another gate, OR gate. An OR gate accepts two input signals. If both are 0, the output is 0. Otherwise, the output is 1. See the truth table. When any of the one output is 1, the output is when any of the one input is 1, the output is 1. Right? The Boolean expression x is equal to a plus b. Right? It means the OR gate performs the additive operation. Right? It is a gate which output goes to level 1 when any one or more input goes to level 1. That means output goes to 0 level only when all the inputs are 0 level. Okay. See the truth table. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Right? So the output of OR gate is addition of the input. Right? This is called OR gate. Okay. Let us see another gate, XOR gate. See, what is XOR gate? Okay. In two input XOR gate, output becomes 1 when two inputs are dissimilar. If the logic levels of the two inputs are similar, output becomes 0. Okay. XOR gate accepts two input signals. If both are the same, the output is 0. Otherwise, the output is 1. Okay. See the truth table. If input A and input B both are 0, output is 0. If input A is 1, input B is 1, that output X is 0. When input A is 0, input B is 1, output is 1. When input A is 1, input B is 0, output is 1. So this is all about XOR gate, right? Note the difference between the XOR gate and the OR gate. They differs only in one input situation. When both input signals are 1, the the OR gate produce a 1 and the XOR produce a 0. Okay. See, when the both input signals are 1, the OR gate produce 1 and the XOR gate produce 0. XOR, it means XOR is called exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. Let us see one another gate is NAND gate. N-A-N-D, NAND gate. The NAND gate accepts two input signals. If both are 1, the output is 0. Otherwise, the output is 1. What is NAND gate? Let us see. Right? NAND, N-A-N-D, NAND gate. In NAND gate, the output goes to logic 0 only when the inputs are at logic 0. Output becomes 1 when any input goes to logic 0. Okay. Actually, NAND gate is AND plus NOT gate. So to understand NAND gate, let us take AND gate and invert the output using NOT gate. Okay, so NAND is equal to AND plus NOT. Okay, see the truth table. It is exactly opposite to AND gate, right? When A and B both are 0, output is 1. When A and B both are 1, output is 0. Okay, see the Boolean expression A dot B bar. Okay, this is the NAND gate. Okay, the next gate is NOR gate. N-O-R, NOR gate. In NOR gate, output goes to level 1 when all the inputs are at logic 0. It is inverse to that of OR gate. So NOR gate can be realized by inverting the output of OR gate. So NOR is equal to OR plus NOT. Right? NOR, it means OR plus NOT gate. Right? See the symbol of the NOR gate. One bubble is there. Right? One bubble is added to OR gate. It's called NOR gate. When input A and B both are at 0 level, output is 1. In another situation, input A and B at one level output is 0, input A is at one level, input B is 0 level, output is 0, input A is 0 level, input B is 1 level, output is 0. Okay, so this is the complement of the OR gate. X is equal to A plus B bar. This is the exact opposite to the OR gate. So this is all about NOR gate. Now see the summary of this. All the gates are here. First one, for NOR gate, a NOT gate inverts the input signal. Okay, when the input of NOT gate is 1, the output of NOT gate is 0. When the input of NOT gate is 0, output of NOT gate is 1. It is invert, right? Second one is AND gate. So in AND gate, produce 1 if both inputs value are 1. This is the multiplication operation. Okay, for OR gate produce 0 if both the inputs value are 0. Okay, this is the additive operation. An XOR gate produce 0 if input value are the same. And NAND gate produce 0 if both inputs are 1. Okay. Now see the whole summary of this whole gate. It is the review of gate processing, one kind of summary. Okay, so first one is for NOT gate. A NOT gate inverts its input signal. Okay, it means the NOT gate inverts the input signal. It means if the input of NOT gate is 1, the output is 0. And if the input of NOT gate is 0, output is 1. It inverts the input. Okay. Now, if second point is for AND gate. And AND gate produce 1 if both input values are 1. Okay. It means the AND gate performs the operation of multiplication. The third point is for the OR gate. An OR gate produce 0 if both input value are 0. It means OR gate performs the operation of addition. Fourth point is for XOR gate. XOR gate produce 0 if input value are the same. Okay. Fifth one is for NAND gate. NAND gate produce 0 if both inputs are 1. Okay. The truth table of NAND gate is exactly opposite to the AND gate. Last one is for NOR gate. NOR gate produce a 1 if both inputs are 0. Okay, it is exactly opposite to the OR gate. Okay, this is all about the gates, logic gates. Okay, thank you very much.